Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a fun subscription unboxing. I have a couple boxes here from Glossybox that I cannot wait to get into. They are sponsoring today's video, but I am going to be sharing what is inside their December Glossybox, which how cool is this? It comes in a tin, and also one of their exclusive holiday boxes as well that are still available if you want something like last minute Christmas holiday themed or to give to a friend or to yourself. I'm so excited to see what is in here. If you guys are new to Glossybox, they are a monthly subscription. I've talked about them a couple times on my channel. I unboxed their advent calendar a couple months ago, and I do have their December box, which definitely looks a lot fancier than some of their other boxes because I don't think they usually come in these nice tins, but it seems like for December they're going all out. So let's go ahead and start with that. By the way, if you guys are new and you want to sign up for your first Glossybox subscription, you can get it for $15 with my link. Also, you can save $5 off the holiday box if this is something you're into as well. But I'm going to show you what's inside. We'll do some up close looks at the items, some swatches, and hopefully we got some good stuff in here. Alright, so here's how it comes. They always have the cutest presentation with the little bow, and it has a little magazine here. It says Moonlight Glow, I believe is the theme for December. So the first thing I'm seeing in here is some dry shampoo. We have these from Batiste. I am always in need of especially travel size dry shampoo for my trips. That's the thing I like always run out of. I just use dry shampoo like almost every single day. I do have kind of oily roots, so I do love the Batiste ones, and I haven't had them in a minute, so I'm actually very excited about this. This is just the original classic clean scent. These do have a retail value of $3.99 each, so together about $8. Next up, we have a full-size eyeshadow brush here from the brand LaRousse Beauty, and it does look like this. It has the little studs on it. This is their tapered blending LR120 brush. I actually like the studs on here because it gives a nice grip, and this is a very soft crease brush. So that is a full-size item in here. This retails for $28 from LaRousse Beauty. We also have, it looks like, a face palette here. This is from LA Splash Cosmetics. It's the Moonlight Glow palette here. So this is what it looks like. It's actually stunning. We have, it looks like, blush, bronzer, and a couple different highlights going on here. It actually says 2 blushes, so these 2 must be the blushes. I'll go ahead and swatch this for you guys. And on the inside, it even says beauty is like the moon in the midnight sky. It has a little mirror in there. Ooh, these are really nice. Very soft formula. The bronzer is super buttery. Here is the shade swatched. It's nice with the blushes. It comes with one more shimmery blush and one more matte. I think the bronzer should work for me as well, and also the highlight. So that is the LA Splash Moonlight Glow face palette. This retails for $34, and it is, of course, a full size. We also have something here from Skin Research Laboratories, and this is the New Reflection Complexion Perfecting Polish from them. I guess this is the mystery product because I don't see it on here, but it does say mystery product, surprise glossies. To make this month's box a little more fun and special, we've included a surprise mystery product to the Moonlight Glow collection. We hope you love it and can't wait to see and hear what you think about it. This looks kind of expensive, but it says buff your way to a refined and radiant complexion with this revolutionary and luxuriously whipped facial polish that enhances skin's health and beauty long after each use. And then that is what the texture looks like. So it must be the mystery product in the box. We did get this nice skincare item, and that one is definitely a full size. Sometimes Glossybox does have some deluxe sizes like this, for instance. This is from Elemis, and this is the Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. Although this is a smaller size, it's still a really decent amount. This is 0.6 ounces. Usually primers are about 1 ounce, so you get about a little more than half. It says the Kombucha Glow Moisturizer. It says the retail value of this is $22, I think, taking into account the smaller size too. It's nice that they do include that. It says it's perfect for a dewy glow. It's a silicone-free moisturizer that primes and hydrates to reveal a smooth and radiant complexion. So this does seem really pretty. I know a lot of people love Elemis. So here it is on my hand. I'm just kind of blending that in. and it's pretty. Like, I can definitely see it does have that luminous glow to it. It's not too much though, like very subtle. Kind of similar to like a Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, but this feels like more moisturizing on the skin, since you guys do get that like skincare benefit in there too. But it looks very radiant and very pretty. I'll have to test this out under my makeup. I do have oily skin, so I don't use these type of products so much, but I have been enjoying kind of a nice glowy base and then going in with my foundation on top. And it does have a slight like citrusy, like essential oil kind of scent to it. But I'm actually really excited to try that out. And these are extra in the box, it says, so an extra item that doesn't count, I guess, towards your number of items. But this looks like some different teas. We have turmeric and chamomile herbal tea here, caffeine free, as well as the turmeric ginger. This is by the brand Vadam Teas. And also the lemon ginger as well. I need to get into teas. It's not really something I drink a lot. I like just plain tea, but like this could be nice for the evening, like a hot cup of tea, especially in the winter time. And maybe I will start loving tea and becoming a tea person. I feel like you're either a coffee person or you're a tea person, and I'm definitely more of the coffee drinker, but for evening I think tea could be nice, especially the non-caffeinated ones. So that is everything in the December Glossybox with the gorgeous tin. Again, I'll have the link for that down below and my code to get this for $15. Let's get into this holiday box here. So this is the Glossybox Holiday Limited Edition for 2021. It's still available. It's originally $35 if you buy it on its own, and you're supposed to get a value of $185. I do have a code that gets you $5 off in the description box as well, but this one is a little bit different packaging. It says surprise me, and then you open it up and you have your little holiday box. So again, wrapped up cute with a little bow and all. So with these special boxes, you can buy these separately in addition to your Glossybox subscription for extra stuff. And I'm already seeing some really good stuff in here. First up, we have from Bloom Effects. This is the Dutch Dirt Mask. I'm always intrigued by this brand because a lot of their products are made with tulips, and where I live we have a lot of tulips. I live in a Dutch town. I'm Dutch myself, so I don't know, it just makes me happy. It even has a little wooden shoe on the bottom here. So this is one of their full-size masks, and it says it's an exfoliating scrub and face mask in one that combines the best of chemical and physical exfoliation to create a skin purifying, pore purging powerhouse. This does retail for $49, so really good deal with this one. The next item I received here is by the brand Fakai, which is a really cool hair care brand. I got introduced to them through Ulta. They used to have their stuff there. I don't think they do anymore, but I used to love, they had like a sea salt spray that was so good. But we received here their CBD scalp calming shampoo. This says it's vegan, silicone free. It has CBD and aloe vera to help soothe, sensitize, and stressed scalp. I'm excited because I do have a pretty sensitive, dry, itchy scalp. It's getting better though because I've been like using some different oil treatments on it, and I feel like my hair is in a really good place right now. But I do want to try this out and see how it goes. I think this is a really nice kind of like almost travel size, but a little bit more in there. Next up, I got this little eye patch, and it's by LAPCOS, and it just says the collagen eye patch here. These are always nice. I feel like when you just wake up in the morning, you can store them in the fridge and have that like cooling effect. If you have like puffy under eyes, these are good to soothe. I like to bring these on trips with me too, getting off the airplane. So that is also included in this box. I did not see that one on the card. I'm also really excited about this. So we have something from By Terry. This is a super luxurious brand. We have here their Baume de Rose, and I've actually heard really good things about this. It smells amazing. If you guys love rose, this is a very strong rose scent, but I'm really excited to try, and getting something from a really luxurious brand is awesome. And speaking of luxurious brands, we have a little mini Valentino perfume. I'm so excited they put Valentino in here because I feel like we always get the Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb in like everything, and I'm like over it. So this is actually a perfume I've kind of been wanting, and it's the Valentina Voce Viva Intensa. I've been smelling this one when I go to Ulta, and I really like it. So this is the cute little bottle. How adorable. This smells so good. I think this is the one that Lady Gaga is like the campaign model for. This really is a beautiful scent. It's very rich smelling, almost gives me like YSL Libre vibes a bit. It's beautiful. I really like it. I need to get it. It's different than the Donna Born in Roma, which I have from them. I really, really enjoy this. So probably in 2022, you'll see me buying the full size of this one because it smells so good. But I'm really excited to get a little perfume in here. This is actually a nice size too. Like that little bit goes a very long way. Next up here, we have something from, it's called Kawaii Girl Cosmetics, and this is a loose shimmer powder. So let me go ahead and open this. It kind of reminds me of like Pat McGrath packaging with the little confetti in there. I've never heard of this brand before, but this retails for $15. This does look pretty though. It's in the shade Allerton, so I think it's gonna be a really shimmery gold. Now this does not have a sifter, so it's definitely something you gotta be careful with. I'm just gonna barely dip my finger in here to get a swatch for you. I would definitely use like a wet brush with this because it's not sticking so well with my finger, but you guys can get the idea of what it looks like. It's just like a gold pigment pretty much, but I think with a wet brush it would really pop on the skin. It says you could use it if you're a deeper skin tone to even highlight the cheekbones, or add it to your lips as well for adding like a little bit of sparkle to your lipstick or lip gloss. Next up, another exciting brand, we have Milk Makeup, and this is their little blush stick in Work. So cute. I really like their cream bronzers. I haven't tried their cream blush much, so I'm actually really excited for this one. How adorable. This does retail for $20 for this size. I heard they don't even sell like the big sizes anymore, and they might be just switching over to these possibly. But Work, this is like the perfect pink. Let me go ahead and swatch, of course. I love cream products lately, especially cream blushes, and this color is the perfect, just neutral, everyday pinky peach. It looks stunning. Can't wait to try out that formula. And then the last thing that we have in this special holiday box, this is by Neolastin. Okay. I haven't heard of this brand either. It looks like possibly skincare. It looks expensive. It says Rejuvenate and Hydrate Moisturizing Cream. It does say this is the deluxe size worth $56. The full size is worth $140. This is the packaging here, and let's go ahead and open this up. The texture is almost like a gel finish, which I think is going to be awesome for oily skin. It says it's a moisturizer suitable for all skin types. It nourishes your skin with anti-aging hydrating moisture that revitalizes and restores skin texture and gives a more radiant look and feel. I think I'm gonna like this one, so I'm gonna test this out maybe as my morning moisturizer. Alright, so that's everything in the holiday limited edition box. Like I said, this is still available if you guys want to snag one. As you guys know, I don't do a whole lot of Glossybox unboxings here in my channel, but it was really fun to see what they have to offer in these boxes. I really, really like their limited edition boxes though. Like, we got some really good brands in there, some nice full-size products. I'm so excited for the Milk Makeup, the By Terry. Let me know if you guys want to see more Glossybox unboxings on my channel. Is this something that you guys subscribe to? What do you think? I know a lot of you guys said you wanted to see some other options besides the usual Ipsy and BoxyCharm, so here's another one for you. If this looks like something that interests you, I'll have all the information you need in the description box, and to save that extra money, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.